Cody version.
Okay, so
The 420.
I didn't have that one.
yeah, I thought this sounds like a bootleg Instagram thing, but no, this was an actual thing in 2021, hosted by that guy, that comedian who's like,
Oh, Ron Funches?
Ron Funches will be here serving us food. That's awesome.
What? Okay, I'm down with
This
this.
rules.
This is exciting.
I don't need mine to be the silver version. Just FYI.
We'll see if we can do that.
Well, it is Friday. Anyway, so that's the update.
Wow.
Dude.
Yeah.
How fun.
Rip.
Yeah. It's a dream come true, really.
Very exciting.
It's something that we never thought would ever be achieved.
No.
I know.
It's just something that maybe we would talk about and, just kind of like laugh about, like, oh, wouldn't that be cool?
This is better than like a private jet or a suite at a basketball game.
No.
This is way better, I'd say.
Yeah.
Not better than a jet, but better than a suite. This is fun.
Yeah,
it's
I love it.
It's way cheaper than a jet. I can tell you that. I can promise
I'm
that.
so excited.
All right, so Woody Show Family Feud. This is from the Two Bears event in Tampa with Tom Segura and Bert Kreischer. However, we didn't get any of the famous people. We just got people who were at the event.
Yes, and the first people, it's a couple, they were dressed in bear costumes because it's the Two Bears 5K. This is a little bit about them and their first question.
What's your name? Where are you from?
Alexander Lagon, Kendall Lagon from Jupiter, Florida. Yeah.
Nice. All right, first question. Name something you wouldn't want to wake up next to. Okay.
Right.
But to kind of get a little more perspective on this guy, did you talk to him for more than just that one question?
Get a feel for him?
No, I just asked them where they're from. They're dressed in these bear costumes, and I go, you know what? These people look like they're ready to party.
I realize we're doing this all wrong.
Why?
Okay. It's been a while since we played Woody Show Family Feud.
Uh-huh.
First of all, there's me.
Yeah, no. I thought it was kind of weird.
Yeah, but my omelet station. Sorry.
By the way, Jupiter, Florida is all I need to know.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Woody Show Family Feud from Bears, 5K, and so Menace, he was out there, and he was talking to these different people, and each person is going to get a question, so you have to address the question to a particular person.
Okay.
Remember, so, and then Greg, for example, if he went first, he would have that question.
I get your input though.
Yeah, you get our input, and he had to make the fun. Okay,
That's how I remember it.
yeah, now we're remembering how he plays. So Matt, we'll get the first question.
Let's go with Greg.
Let's go with Greg.
What you wouldn't want to wake up next to?
Yeah, what you wouldn't want to wake up next to. Any guesses?
From Florida, so he might say an alligator. But I'm thinking a bug of some sort too. That's what I would say.
One of those guys would be like, ugly chick.
I was going to say, it's Florida. You can say like fat chick or something.
Bad shit.
A dead body.
And
Yeah.
also, remember, this is a couple, so it's a guy and girl.
Right. Okay. So I'm thinking it's got to be in the animal world, like either an animal or a bug. My gut tells me gator.
Okay.
Gator? Not that you ever would. Wake up next to a gator, but gator.
But you wouldn't want to.
No, you certainly wouldn't want to. That's right, Sammy.
All right, let's figure it out.
All right, question number one.
Your mom's vagina. Do you want anybody's mom's vagina?
All right.
Mom's vagina.
That was not on the radar.
I feel like Woody and I got closest.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
That's in Florida. That's a Florida bar girl answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your
Yeah.
mom's vagina.
Your mom's vagina.
Huh.
All right, who gets the next? Who gets the next question here,
All
man?
right, let's go with Gina.
Okay.
Gina.
I'm ready.
The question is, name a reason someone might get kicked out of Walmart.
All right.
Ooh.
That's a good Florida question.
Yeah.
Kicked
All right.
out of
We
Walmart.
can
Stealing, obviously.
stealing, streaking,
That's good.
Yeah.
Pooping on the fighting.
pooping is a big one, yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I mean,
Kidnapping.
Masturbating.
Yeah.
Sure.
setting fire.
Huh?
Yes, these are all good.
Or
Yeah.
bring your alligator.
Okay, a pet alligator.
Yeah.
On a leash.
All good answers, but I think we're gonna go. Pooping. Okay, pooping at Walmart.
All right, pooping's a good answer. Let's see. Question number two. Woody Show Family Feud.
When you have to wait so long for them to unlock the deodorant, like that, just get in there and you get the deodorant and they're like, hey, we have that locked up for a reason. I'm like, smell this, bitches. So